Hummingbird Publishers presents a simple procedure for making a paper collage. You will need the following materials: a drawing paper, pencil, recyclable papers like manila, sugar paper and magazines, glue stick, scissors and a cardboard. Consider the following safety tips. Use sharp tools carefully. Use skin-friendly adhesives. Step 1. Come up with a theme for your collage and sketch it on paper. Step 2. Cut out paper to the desired form. Focusing on shapes and colour, paste the papers on your sketch starting from the top. Step 3. Your paper cutouts should overlap to create juxtaposition and layering effects. Step 4. Paint some areas of the collage for a painterly effect. Step 5. Trim the edges and mount your collage on a hard surface, such as cardboard, hard paper, or wood, using glue. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!